Ndewo. Welcome to today's class. I hope you're fine. So today I want us to look at the three major tones in Igbo language. The first one here is Udelu, which is high tone. Udelu. It's usually marked with an acute accent. Okay. So for Udelu we have Aqua. Aqua. If you observe, the pitch is high. Aqua. And we have Ire. Ire. Isi, isi, eke, eke. Okay, next one is odala, low tone. Odala, ala is low or down in Igbo. Ala, oda is tone. Odala. So for odala, we have aqua, aqua. If you observe, the pitch is low. Aqua, isi, isi, ire, ire. Igwe, igwe. The next one is odansoda, odansoda. That's mid-tone. It's usually left unmarked. Odansoda. Okay, so for odansoda, we have igwe, igwe, which is sky or king. Igwe. We have ike, ike. We have eze, eze. Okay, the mid-tone usually follows a high tone mark. So it's usually high, mid. That's high tone and mid-tone. Okay, it's difficult, if not impossible, for you to see an Igbo word with low and mid. More examples, we have afo, afo. That's high tone, afo. High tone, low tone, afo. This one is afa, afa. High tone, afa, afa. High tone, low tone. This one is igwe, 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 igwe. This one is egu, 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 egu. This one is ahu, 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 ahu. This one is ozo and ozo, which is chief. This one is ozo. Usually have to do with early mornings. Ozo. And we have ozo, which is way or road. Ozo, ozo. This one is ala, ala, ala. And we have ala, ala. That's to go. Usually have to do with going home. Another example is in the word spelled a. This word can have different meanings. It can mean cloth, cry, egg, bed, depending on the tone you use in pronouncing it. If you want it to mean cloth, then you say aqua, aqua. That is, you add a high tone mark to the beginning vowel and a low tone mark to the ending vowel. Then you make the sound aqua, aqua. Cry, you say aqua, aqua. That is high tone, aqua. Egg, you say aqua, aqua. That is low tone, high tone, aqua. Bed, you say aqua, aqua. That is low tone, aqua. We have aqua, 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 aqua. Let's look at this Igbo tongue twister containing these words. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa ịkwara akwa dị n'elu akwa. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa ịkwara akwa dị n'elu akwa. Try saying it faster. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa, ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa ịkwara akwa dị n'elu akwa. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa, ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa ịkwara akwa dị n'elu akwa.